going? I don't know anything.
I'm sorry, you were asleep. That's why I didn't wake you up.
No. You should have talked to me.
I'm so sorry.
It's can phone a da more in your man problem. But as for me, you can't.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Forgive me.
So where to?
Oh, I'm going to the mechanic shop.
Mechanic shop for what?
Yeah, I just had a call. Someone wants to buy the car, so
Your car?
Yeah.
The Honda Accord.
Yeah, that car.
The one which is the gearbox have a problem.
Yeah, I just want to sell it out. Because you know my Range Rover is coming.
Okay, yeah. You told me.
Okay, so I have to meet the person up for the transaction.
Oh, nice. Then let me escort you.
No, don't worry. I just don't want to stress you.
No, in case of some of these things, I have to be follow up, see what's going on.
Okay, I'm safe.
Because Ghanaian people, they are fake. They can do you azar.
Sweetheart, I know everything. I know my left and right. I can solve this one. Okay?
But UK people, you like doing things alone.
Yeah.
Sometimes, if you are doing something or doing anything, you should let me know. I'm a man. I'm a man. Besides,
don't worry. Next time I will involve you. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm sorry.
So are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you sure you are 100% okay?
Yeah, I think the Uber driver has arrived.
You have ordered for Uber. Okay. Then let me see you off. Miss Melfield, what can she?
Na and ready any bit.
Media. Me 18.
Wasn't come up and obey still be. Da. Comedy who you never do a mentias you.
What are
Na Fanayana Amako.
Ama, yes, a year fan or call. Say, sometimes I brought you for an asomasa trade. And I UK form man, Cassana minim the airbound Mwankasa because also, yeah, the Konaka Okujana, and there be train wait next time. Oh, and I'm assuming person may dear as a me for so no. Madame Dasa being a many behind the media. So
there be Okas also dear on your right. Too much because how right now my build relationship na we what trust also trusting. Enti any kwanza wo hwema amanfo ekobu no we mazi for ye ni mu hwi both not ketua bi kura de be hye na ni be 100 cedis on send him Ghana scamming also wura na dwene mu na wo je sa mazi niam ni nyina aye na yesu anya bibi kakra kai yo so okoton mazi ni na nim se a criminal move enti na opese wo ton no nya bi banka ye na eje ka na se ekoton a enke benya kakra to so dia hwe hafa dwene ho
ba woni me no me mfa ho me dem da siska na ba na manya bi adi kai sika yi bla ka enu ha na ye last hour ko sai siska ne de ko ka ne de ne board ne ye nya ko benya kakra wo sai siska na me di bia me budget e di bi beto we me di bi beto we a menya bi adi di kura di bia sa abo me bra sai siska no kwa mpese me bowura menya kakra na kama pe kakra ma franka say wanyi fan so no so ati ase because ono so abre so ati ase enye sa dia franka bangu na me get dia me get no kure ne dia me nse dampe no amma na dia but atoto dia ne no ma bi na me pe free no ho so ati ase ana me hu se menya free no ho
obua
ama what's wrong what's wrong why
Ama
why are you crying?
I'm doomed.
You are doomed. Doom. What is doom? Ama. No, don't do this.
why?
Don't do this. What's wrong?
Ama.
My money. My car.
Your money, your car. Ama, what's going on here? Huh?
Feel free,
The car that I sold to the guy, the money is gone.
It's gone to where? Does the money have a wings to fly and it's gone to where?
Ask again.
Oh, no.
No, then what? Ama, explain it to us. What's going on? What's wrong?
Feel free and talk. Be bold.
My money, oh.
Your money just say. Your money just say. Ama, just talk to us.
I have already sold the car to the guy. He went to the bank with me and we made the transaction, so in front of the bank, I ordered an Uber. The Uber came and we drove off. When we reached Tasty Queen, I wanted to buy food.
And what happened?
So what happened?
Money.
Talk. Let's talk.
And then your money.
I told the driver to wait for me.
And then?
When I turned, I wanted to ask whether he would eat. When I turned, the guy is nowhere to be found.
The driver is gone. With the money? With your money? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yes, I'm catching up.
Ama,
you see?
I told you. Let me escort you. You didn't mind me. Now you see this huge amount of money.
Yanko Kesben FM.
Let us report. Did you take the car the car number?
No.
You didn't. Oh my God.
Let's go there.
You let's go.
Let's go there.
I can't go anywhere.
You can't go anywhere, Sasai. You can't go anywhere, Sasai. We have to track this money. We have to track the car and get the money back. Ama, hey, why you can't go?
So you've lost this car. We have to report to the police.
Ama, what's wrong with you?
Let's go.
Me, you let's go to police station. Ama, you let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go to
Let's go to the police station first.
You have to report this case.
My God.
Let's go. Just I'm not. Let's go. You just let's go.
I'm even confused.
We are
I'm
delaying.
totally confused.
We are delaying.
Or maybe the guy that I sold the car to.
But we can trace them.
Straight.
We have to trace
This is a plan work. It's a planting. Ama, I know what to do. I know. Let's go. Let's go.
You just let's go to the police station.
Let's go. I know what to do.
Expensive, but if you fake it, she say life be expensive, but if you fake it, you money be one and you why? And you money be one and you why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, I see say life be expensive.
Because that was it. If you say we are seeing any penny and being sika or kind of a say, no for my common bini.
Of an Asebiano.
Naso,
Nasebiano. We meet to a mini mammy, any jar, Minescami Koyi Biamanedi. And I was no was Shemia, I be doing pepper swametry. I mean, yes, come mamma being the one I'm commanding.
who will be at the command? Who will be at the command?
Tina Senator Diane was
Mati, na me, my piece I am say, oh, mammy. Senko, and come, this is Kawunian and come, I'm in a bed day. A penny be a day, this old mammy is not. Oh, mammy, a woman I have dreamed.
of Fenya, she sent in our soul away. On a baby also see now, baby, or done a smart journal. It's on so woeful. Oh, now of our Kawakai meal. May a margin send a car next week, member. Also, we know. Now, Miss Oh, think I'm ever not quite a chairman in that so much for come.
And your problem because. So to me, a cotton and a woman national the flowers got to swap. Obey never church in a bar. Aye, now,
Mammy,
there be won't he? Make out as a match. I must not make a fan serious.
of a
Sembrantia no monamo sense, so cockroach full sense, and for no monamo. Or Maunescan, Ama. So Mumuye.
Matsofa.
So Muye powder and that.
Matsi.
So they are not two town passes and so come more. No bomb pay souffle at the say. What do you call chronobles and so do call you of our face of you?
Minchawano. Mian Cassa a drama joa. Miss sorry 12 king maniatic. Me chance will be a mapa sorry a mamma country. Men now, me join a menu come and so they own her. Yanami, Coname, I mean, dear me.
What do you make a time and I say a fast in there?
You could have got my number.
But if you fake it, you money be one and you why? And you money be one and you why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it,
I'll make you wait on the I make you win. I make you win. I make you win on the most. I make you win. Yo, yo, yo. I'm DJ Khaled, DJ MOB. Yo, Wizzy F baby. If you know me, say my name. American rapper. Me rap baby DJ me eti waba. Miss Meka, Makofaba. Miss Maba. Was see me ha. Was see me ha. Was jam me ha. Hey, sister, at the want. Hey, I'm a tundra.
I thought you were inside.
No. Major fresh air kakra. Oh, just have a seat. Have a seat.
Have you finished eating?
Oh yeah, long time. Yeah, I've eaten long time. But I like how you prepare your jollof. It's so delicious.
Oh.
I was nearly about to chew my fingers.
Abba.
I swear. It's so delicious. I like your food. The UK people, you guys know how to prepare food. Especially rice, this things, you know. It's very, very fanta brutal. It's fantastic. Your food is sweet like you. Your food is.
Anyway, sweetheart,
Yeah.
I wanted to discuss something with you.
Oh, no problem. Go on. No problem. Anything you can tell me. I'm your man. You know. I'm your man.
Anyway, I'm finding it very difficult.
Oh, why? Is there any problem?
Yeah, it is. There is a problem.
Oh, you can tell me.
I'm finding it very difficult. So,
Amma, do you know something? I'm your man. I dare your back. I support you 100%. Anything you do, I support you. So feel free, talk to me. Anything, anyhow. Talk to me.
and I really appreciate.
Yay.
I think you know what I've been through these days, right?
Yeah, I know everything.
I was asking, can you please lend me 5,000 Ghana cedis?
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, I'll give it back to you next week.
5,000
Yeah,
cedis.
5,000.
It's not a problem.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll try and get you 5,000.
You know what? If you don't have, you shouldn't worry.
I have.
I know if you have, you will give it to me.
Yeah, don't worry. The money is not the problem. It's from my heart. This one, you should have told me earlier, and I will give you about 10,000 cedis.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Such a darling.
Yeah, you are my everything.
I know.
You know, you are my everything.
I know.
So if you need something, I have to do it for you.
Okay.
Same, if I want something, you do
I
it
will.
for me.
I
Yeah.
will.
So don't worry about this.
Oh, then let's go in. I have some.
Yeah, you have something to show me. I know everything. If you talk, I hear. I like what you are doing to me. This is afternoon receiving. I'm going to receive it. I like the way you jump on me, do your things like a bodam for. You do. Yes, I'm dying to finish.
Life be expensive, but if you fake it, why you man the D one and D why? And you man the D one and D why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, why?